get ahead of all these guys. Get a clear run at that on-ramp. This on-ramp is so long, it's ridiculous. You could, if you were that way minded, probably get quite a high speed down it. Not me, of course. I stick within the limits. Morning. Yeah, totally within the limit. About 50 mile an hour that was. Sure. Bloody hell, it's a bit breezy. God knows what the noise quality is like at this speed. Yeah, 70 mile an hour, yeah. But it seems pretty damn noisy to me at the moment. Oh, come on, you plums, this is an overtaking lane. Why, oh why do 4x4s think they can fucking outrun you? Just get out of the way, I'll be past, and you can move back out. Simple. Oh God, no. What the hell is wrong with you people? Dickhead! Ooh, a little yellow light. Okay, let's go. Okay, enough of the shenanigans. It's just too damn cold and too damn busy. It's ridiculous. Oh, let's slow down for the other little yellow money box. I always do that brake and end up doing about 30 miles an hour. Oh my God. It's musical chairs this morning. Everybody's going in whatever lane they like. I'm not getting much, thank you very much. I'm not getting much feel on my front brakes. I think they're ready for a change. Oh my God. Massive smell of weed. Feel like I've just smoked it. Oh, very nice. So I decided that the bike actually deserved a good clean, and I cleaned it, and I used some muck off stuff, which was absolutely mint. Love it. I got some muck off motorcycle cleaner, and then I got, well, a few of their other bits. But their speed polish was oh my god, I was addicted to the smell of it. And I perhaps went a little bit over the top and put a little bit too much on, and now I'm just sliding everywhere. I need my tank grippers back. I did have some on, and I took them off and realised why the person before had put them on, because yeah, you just slide everywhere. But when you waxed it, that is a totally different story. That's ridiculous. Oh, room for a cheeky one. Little 650F, good morning. I'm going down the outside. If you ever do this, filtering I mean, don't pressurise the rider in the front to go hell for leather. You know, when I was a young whippersnapper, I've always filtered, but when I was younger, I used to feel this impending doom when someone was right behind me on a larger bike, and I was on there on my little scrawny 125, and it's never left me. So sometimes I just pull in, and you know, when you can see the other rider's nervous, just pull in, give them time, give them space. Don't think that they've got to go. So this guy's gonna go, I know he is. Oh, I hate going on these bits. Had a puncture going on these bits because all the shit ends up in that little triangle. And believe it or not, a little piece of steel ended up in that triangle and went straight through my tyre, and I had a very wobbly ride home, and it wasn't enjoyable. Oh yes, no fear in this guy. He's going for it. He wants to be first at work. Well, I beat you. Come on, lights. That light is red. That light was definitely red, you dickhead. Where are you going? It wasn't his fault. I was going a little bit too fast and he misjudged. It wasn't even that close. It's like, oh my god, totally overreacting. Change, please. Dankeschön. Oh my god, they stayed green. Usually... Oh yes. Let's get past. Nah, usually I'd go down there, but we got the bus lane, bitches. Oh no. Straight through. Cue the like a boss music. Oh, there's a big dirty truck here. Not anymore. Sheffield, best thing you ever did was to introduce bikes to the bus lane. I must say, it's early this morning, so not a lot of traffic. I wouldn't normally go like that through there, because the amount of people that have a little look and think, yeah, I'll go in there, don't look for you, it's usually dicing with death. But I'm on earlies today, or this week. Oh my god, 10 hours later. Yes, change. Oh my god, squeeze through, squeeze through. Maybe not. Oh, this guy's going. Okay, calm down. Okay guys, well I'm very nearly at work, so I'm going to sign off for today. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm very early on in this channel and I've got very little content, but I promise there's lots more to come this summer. So hit that subscribe button or I will find you.